Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. In this guide, we'll show you how to split PDF pages for free using Tenorshare PDNob in just a few clicks. Tenorshare PDNob is a powerful and versatile PDF editor available for both Windows and Mac, offering tools for editing, annotating, converting, and performing OCR. It also includes a free split PDF feature, which makes organizing PDF pages simple and fast, ideal for students, professionals, and anyone managing documents. Check the link in the description to download the software and get started. Now, let's see how easy it is to split your PDF documents with Tenorshare PDNob. After downloading and installing the software, launch it, and you'll arrive at the main interface. The layout is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate. Click on Open PDF, then use the File Explorer to locate and open the PDF document you want to work with. As you can see, there are plenty of tools and controls for working with your PDF, but we'll focus on the Split PDF feature for this guide. Go to the Page tab, and you'll see all the page thumbnails displayed. Next, locate the Split option, and a submenu will appear. You'll have the option to split the document by page range, allowing you to specify how many pages each file should contain, or by file size, where the software will automatically determine how many pages fit within the size limit you set. For the output folder, you can choose to save the files in the same folder as the original, or specify a custom directory. Additional options allow you to customize file names, labels, separators, and whether to retain existing files. Once you've made all the necessary selections, click Split. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the original file has been successfully split into smaller files. Click OK, and you're done. If you check the output folder, you'll find all the newly created files neatly organized and ready to use. And that's how you can easily split any PDF document using Tenorshare PDNob. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more official tips and tricks. Thank you for choosing our software, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.